Students, now from phenols, the most important reaction we are going to see, that is Kolbe reaction. So what is Kolbe reaction? See, this reaction is start with sodium phenoxide O minus Na plus attached to the benzene ring. So Kolbe reaction starts with this. The name of this compound is Na, that is sodium, and this is phenyl group with oxygen. So sodium phenoxide, phenyl with oxygen, that is phenoxide. So name of this compound is sodium phenoxide. So how this sodium phenoxide is formed? So when, if we go back, this aqueous NaOH, this phenol is treated with, actually this step is not given in the reaction, but actually this sodium phenoxide is formed from the phenol when it is treated with aqueous NaOH. The NaOH breaks this OH bond, and this H plus combined with OH minus, and H2 is removed, and this Na is substituted at the place of this hydrogen. So we get sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide, when treated with carbon dioxide, CO2. Carbon dioxide, actually it is a weak electrophile. It is weak electrophile, means this reaction undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, but under a high temperature, that is about 398 Kelvin temperature, and under pressure, that is about 6 atmospheric pressure. What happened? This sodium phenoxide, when treated with NaOH, the intermediate formed, this CO2 gets substituted in between this O minus and Na plus, and here we get this O, that is as it is COO-Na. This oxygen is attached to the benzene ring, and this alternate double single bond as it is. The name of this compound is, this is a sodium phenyl, and this is with the phenoxide with the carbonate group. So name of this compound is sodium phenyl carbonate. So rearrangement in this sodium phenyl carbonate, there is a rearrangement takes place. So on a rearrangement it gives, so on a rearrangement it gives this hydrogen from this ortho position is transferred to this oxygen, and COO-Na group is shifted on this ortho position corresponding to this oxygen. So we get here the product, that is OH attached to the benzene ring with alternate double single bond as it is, and this COO-Na is substituted at this position, that is ortho position, that is adjacent position of this OH group. The name of this compound is, this is sodium, this is the name of this compound is, this is here, this is sodium, Na means sodium, and this is salicylate. So salicylic acid replace this H by Na, so it becomes the salt of this acid, sodium salicylate. So sodium salicylate, which is intermediate, is formed during the formation of this reaction, that is Kolbe reaction, and further finally it undergoes acid hydrolysis, that is H3O plus. What happened? This Na is replaced by this H plus supplied by this acid, and NaCl is removed as a byproduct. So finally we get its corresponding product, that is this benzene ring attached to OH with alternate double single bond as it is, and at this position Na is replaced by hydrogen, and the compound is called as a salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid with the removal of NaCl. So Na is replaced with the Cl. So this is about the Kolbe reaction. So this is most important reaction, and how the question is asked on this point. What happens when this phenol is treated with carbon dioxide under a high temperature and pressure? What is the final product? So salicylic acid is the final product of this reaction. And what is the name of this reaction? The name of this reaction is Kolbe reaction. So what is Kolbe reaction? Kolbe reaction is phenol is treated with carbon dioxide, which is actually weak electrophile, or it is acidic oxide. This CO2 is acidic oxide. This point is also most important for the MCQ. And this CO2 under the high temperature and pressure, it gives its intermediate product, and on rearrangement we get its corresponding sodium salicylate. And this sodium salicylate, on acidification, this Na is replaced by H. So final product formed, that is salicylic acid. If phenol is finally converted into salicylic acid, the reaction is nothing but Kolbe reaction. Which reaction it is? Kolbe reaction. So what is Kolbe reaction? Phenol, when undergoes reaction with carbon dioxide under a 398 Kelvin temperature and 6 atmospheric pressure, finally we get which acid? Salicylic acid. So salicylic acid is nothing but orthohydroxy. At ortho position this OH group is present, and main product is benzoic acid. So this is orthohydroxy benzoic acid, is nothing but salicylic acid. Now this is the reaction, and how this reaction takes place, that part we'll see in mechanism. So mechanism of this reaction. So mechanism means how the reaction takes place, which is the most important part for the all exams, that is CET, NEET, JEE. So how the reaction takes place here? When this phenol, that is OH group, attached to the benzene ring with this alternate double single bond is there. So OH group attached to the benzene ring with alternate double single bond here. This is the phenol. Phenol, when treated with, actually reaction with NaOH, aqueous NaOH, this aqueous NaOH supply OH minus, and this OH minus helps to break this bond heterolytically. Here formation of H plus combined with OH minus, and H2O is removed, and we get here a phenoxide ion. So what happened? This H2O, I can write here on the arrow as a minus H2O. Now this oxygen with its 2 lone pair electron and form negatively charged oxygen due to shifting this pair of electron on the oxygen. So this is the name of this intermediate is phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide ion formed. Now to increase the activity of this phenoxide ion, this negative charge shift here, and to maintain the valency of this carbon, this pi bonded electron are shipped on this carbon. So what we get the product C? It is converted into this double bond, negative charge is shifted here, so double bond is formed attached to this benzene ring. Here this double bond is shifted, that is negative charge on this carbon, and these two double bonds remains as it is. Now this aromaticity of this benzene ring is disturbed or vanished, and when this compound treated with this carbon dioxide, so when this compound comes in contact with the carbon dioxide, so how to write the carbon dioxide formula? C double bond O, double bond O. So this carbon dioxide is acidic in nature, and by taking these two electrons it is bonded at a ortho position. So what do we get its further product? This double bond O means on this oxygen two lone pair as it is bonded with this benzene ring. Here double bond is there. Now by using this two electron the bond is formed. Now to complete the valency of this carbon, this pair of electrons are shifted on this oxygen. So here O minus is formed. Okay, double bond is converted into single, and thus both electrons shift on this oxygen, which acquire negative charge on this oxygen. Now what happened? Here already hydrogen is there at this position. Now this hydrogen bond breaks, and this pair of electron of this bond shifted here to maintain the aromaticity. At the same time, to balance the valency of this carbon, this pair of electron again shift back on the oxygen. So what we get here, see, these electrons are shifted here, and this pair of electron back shift on the oxygen. So here we get this oxygen singly bonded with two lone pair electron carry negative charge. Now here aromaticity of this benzene ring is retained, and at this position here C double bond O. Now this H plus formed here, which is shifted on this oxygen, and by taking this pair of electron this bonded with this oxygen, so OH is formed here. This hydrogen shift here, and there is a formation of OH. Now finally acidification takes place. So in presence of H plus, this H plus, by taking this pair of electron bonded to this oxygen, and we get the final product. So OH bonded with this benzene ring, this alternate double single bond as it is, and here C double OH, that is salicylic acid is formed. Salicylic acid is formed, and this reaction is nothing but Kolbe reaction. So what is the mechanism? See here, this phenol, in phenol OH bond breaks heterolytically because this NaOH supply OH minus, and this OH minus attract this H plus towards itself, and this oxygen attract this pair of electron towards itself due to its electronegativity. The bond breaks from here, and H plus is formed. So H plus combined with OH minus, there is formation of H2O as a byproduct, so written on the arrow as a minus H2. Now on this oxygen this pair of electron shift, so it carry negative charge, and at the same time this resonance structure is formed to activate this benzene ring, this negative charge, that is pair of electrons shift here. At the same time, this pi bonded electron shift on the ortho position carbon to maintain the valency of this carbon. So negative charge comes here at ortho position, that is pair of electrons. By using this pair of electron, this CO2, that is weak electrophile, that is acidic oxide, bonded to this benzene ring at its ortho position, and we get, so during the formation of bond, to complete the valency, this pair of electron is shift on this oxygen which carry negative charge, and the bond is formed. So when the bond is formed, this structure is formed. Now at this ortho position already hydrogen is there. This hydrogen break this bond heterolytically to maintain the aromaticity of this benzene ring, and H plus is formed, and this H plus form the bond with this oxygen by using this lone pair electron. So it combine with this oxygen and form the OH group, and finally this acidification of this molecule takes place. So H plus combine with this O minus. So by taking this electron, it form the bond and OH is formed. So finally here salicylic acid is formed, and this is the reaction, that is Kolbe reaction. So what is the final product formed in this Kolbe reaction? So when phenol is treated with carbon dioxide and in presence of H plus acidification, here we get salicylic acid, and this is the which reaction phenol is converted into salicylic acid, means this is a Kolbe reaction. This is the Kolbe reaction, and here we complete.